Soberlink is essential to make them feel that they're restarting their lives, repositioning their lives, maybe even leaving their old life behind. I'm Gregg Champion. I'm the co-founder of Startup Recovery. Startup Recovery is transitional living for professional C-suite executives who need a little extra push. We try to keep everybody in a continuum of care. When it comes to early intervention, it's critical. We're dealing with a demographic that doesn't want help most of the time, or they're in such early stage of recovery, they don't know that they need some guardrails around their recovery. To have something that's technology savvy, like Soberlink, is key to success. Before we had Soberlink, we had some challenges. Part of the protocols were to test using UA cups or breathalyzers, and that always had to be a human-to-human contact, and it ended up being kind of adversarial. It was a lot of texting back and forth, knocking on doors, hey, I got to get that UA, I got to get that breathalyzer, and it kind of took away the kindness that I think treatment plans have to have instilled with them. When Soberlink came around, it was using technology to bring some humanity to this. Now the client is in charge of their own destiny. There's a trust factor. And the case manager sitting back at the Sober Living has a great platform to look at to say, okay, client A went and tested just now at 8:00 p.m. They get the facial recognition to make sure it's the right person, and then they get the results, negative or positive. The Soberlink really made both the client and the case manager feel that both of them are doing their job. Families are a big part of any treatment plan. And what I feel Soberlink has done is allowed those families to sleep well at night. The family is resting back in Missouri, Portland, wherever they're at, knowing that some piece of technology is helping us guide their loved one to a meaningful outcome, whether it's day 1 or day 101. To be honest with you, we really haven't tried any other products. We've been steadfast in our commitment in using Soberlink. The facial recognition came in place, and that was a game changer. Because then there was no shenanigans, as I like to say. We now had 100% proof that the right person was on the Soberlink breathalyzer. We're all about meaningful outcomes. That is the whole reason we're in business. And part of that is relying on Soberlink to be part of our solution with our clients. When we've had to have someone go home for a week, the old way of doing it, the more expensive way of doing it was, hey, we got to go get you a sober companion. And now you're going home with this person who's strange and you don't know who really it is. It gives some awkwardness. Soberlink is essential to make them feel that independence. If some little simple device, the size of an iPhone, can help them get there in a very dignified manner, it's a home run. It's an absolute home run for us.